Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss the topic reducing equations to simpler form. The meaning of the topic is certain equations in mathematics are not in the form of linear equations, but they can be put in the form of linear equations by performing some mathematical operations on them. After reduction of these equations in linear form, they can be solved and the value of unknown can be calculated easily. Let us take an example to understand the method of reducing equations to simpler form. Solve the following equations. A question, x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Let us check the solution. We have x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. As the equation is not in linear form, so this cannot be directly solved for solution. Therefore, first we will need to simplifying the given equation by cross multiplication technique. In this technique, the numerator on the both sides need to be multiplied to the denominator on the other side. So, 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Next we need to open the brackets by distributive property. So 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 5 is 25 is equal to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 3 is 9. Next we are transposing 3x to the LHS and negative 25 to the RHS. Bring the like terms, that is variables on one side and constant on other side of the equation. So the next step is 5x, 3x is transposing time, it will become minus 3x is equal to, in RHS we already have minus 9. If we are transposing negative 25 to the RHS, then it will become positive 25. Next step, 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. Children, what is minus 9 plus 25? Yes, it is 16. 2x is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 by 2. What is 16 by 2? Yes, 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Thus, the value of the variable in the given equation is 8. Next question. Solve 3 into 5p minus 7 minus 2 into 9p minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8p minus 13 minus 17. Solution. We have 3 into 5p minus 7 minus 2 into 9p minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8p minus 13 minus 17. We need to find the value of the variable p. Here we need to reduce both LHS and RHS separately. First let us reduce LHS. LHS is 3 into 5p minus 7 minus 2 into 9p minus 11. Okay. First we need to open the bracket by distributive property. So the first step is 3 into 5p. 15p minus 3 into 7. 21 minus 2 into 9p minus 18p minus 2 into minus 11. Positive 22 is equal to, now we need to solve it, 15p minus 18p. What is 15p minus 18p? Yes, minus 3p. Then minus 21 plus 22. What is minus 21 plus 22? Yes, it is positive 1. So we reduced LHS. Next, let us reduce RHS. RHS is 4 into 8p minus 13 minus 17. Here also we need to open the bracket by distributive law. So the step is 4 into 8p. 32p. 4 into negative 13. What is 4 into negative 13? Yes, it is negative 52 minus 17, which is equal to 32p, negative 52, negative 17. What is negative 52, negative 17? Yes, it is negative 69. So now we reduced RHS also. Next, let us equate reduced form of LHS and RHS. So the next step is minus 3p plus 1 is equal to 32p minus 69. In the next step, bring the terms with the variable in one side and constants in other side. So first transposing 32p to the LHS. Then after that, we need to transpose positive 1 to the RHS. So the next step is minus 3p minus 32p is equal to minus 69 is already available in the RHS. Positive 1 is coming to the RHS, then it will become negative 1. Next step, minus 3p minus 32p. What is minus 3p minus 32p? Yes, it is negative 35p is equal to negative 69 negative 1. Yes, it is negative 70. Now we have minus 35p is equal to minus 70. Next we need p. Therefore, p is equal to negative 70 divided by negative 35. Negative divided by negative is positive. 70 divided by 35 is 2. So the answer is 2. Therefore, p is equal to 2. Hence, p is equal to 2 is the required solution. Third question. Present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. In this question, we have two conditions. First condition is the ratio of present ages of Anu and Raj. It is 4:5. The second condition is the ratio of their ages after 8 years. It is 5:6. We need to find their present ages. Let us check the solution. Given the ratio of the present ages of Anu and Raj is 4:5. This is the first condition. So, the present age of Anu is equal to 4x years. And the present age of Raj is equal to 5x years. Next condition is 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. 5:6 is the ratio of their ages after 8 years. So we need the ages of Anu and Raj after 8 years. We taken the present age of Anu is 4x years. So after 8 years, Anu's age is equal to 4x plus 8 years. We taken the age of Raj, that is the present age of Raj is 5x years. So after 8 years, Raj's age is equal to 5x plus 8 years. Therefore, the ratio of their ages after 8 years is equal to 4x plus 8 is to 5x plus 8. Isn't it? This is given to be 5:6. Let us change the ratio form to fractional form. The fractional form of 4x plus 8 is to 5x plus 8 is 4x plus 8 by 5x plus 8 is equal to, the fractional form of 5 is to 6 is 5 by 6. We can reduce this equation by cross multiplication technique. So the next step is 6 into 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 8. Next, we need to open the bracket by distributive property. 6 into 4x is 24x plus 6 into 8. 6 8s are 48 is equal to 5 into 5x is 25x plus 5 into 8. 8 5s are 40. Next, let us transpose 24x to the RHS and 40 to the LHS for avoiding negative values. So the next step is 48 is already available in LHS. We are transposing 40 to the LHS. So here it is positive 40. Transposing time, it will become negative 40 equal to 25x is already available in the RHS. We are transposing positive 24x to the RHS. So it will change into negative 24x. Now we have 48 minus 40. 48 minus 40 is 8 is equal to 25x minus 24x. It is 1x, that is x. So x is equal to 8. Therefore, Anu's present age is equal to, we taken it as 4x. Now we got the value of x, that is 8. So which is equal to 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32 years. Next, Raj's present age. We taken it as 5x, which is equal to 5 into x is 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 years. Therefore, Anu's present age is equal to 32 years and Raj's present age is equal to 40 years. Okay children, today's class is completed. I hope you understood what we discussed today. Practice it.